All right, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Got a bunch of updates. I just picked up a Lexus 2001 IS300. It's salvaged. It's got very low miles, but because it's salvaged, I have to get the lamps and the VIN inspection and all that stuff. So I had to go over the lamps, and driver's side is working. I mean, the passenger side is working fine. Driver's side, it wasn't. So I took off the bumper, took off both headlights, and realized that, let me show you guys. I went all over YouTube trying to find these answers, but they ain't no videos tell you this stuff. So I figured I would do it for the sake of all my new Lexus folks. Anyways, these two are the turn signal quarter lights, whatever they call them. It's the low beam, it's the high. Now these are HIDs, so it's got to have the ballast, okay? And this is a leveling motor. It, I guess when you feel vibrations in the car, this little thing straightens it out. So yeah, that's that. This is the good side. It's got the wire, the leveling motor. Now, when I took off the driver's side, it didn't have none of that. Opened it up, didn't have no ballast, didn't have no wire, no light bulbs, and it had the light bulb in the wrong spot. Basically, it had this where the leveling motor goes. So I believe he bought a regular headlight assembly and just threw it on there. But luckily, the housing allows you to make it HID basically. So I have the HID. I got the bulbs. Here we go. I got the ballast and the wire. Basically, so I went to the junkyard too, by the way, just to get this wire. You can't get this stuff anywhere, y'all. You can't get it nowhere. You have to go to the junkyard, pull off this wire, and scour the internet for the light bulbs, because it wasn't easy for me. I don't know about y'all, but I even went to O'Reilly's. They ain't know what the fuck. They couldn't get no light bulbs. The guy was dumb. I don't know if it's the car or if it was the guy behind the counter. Anyways, so I gotta install the ballast, put the new light bulbs in, basically put everything back together and go take it to DMV to get it redone. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just do the one side, just so y'all see what it looks like. And I'm gonna just go ahead and start. Let's see if everything lines up. Nope, it goes this way. Like so. Yeah, that's better. I was wondering because it's got to go in there flush. So now you got to run this through here, connect it right here, run this wire back in there, and you back in business. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and then later just fast forward it for y'all. So let's see. There ain't no video. Again, there's no videos showing you this, so I'm just go ahead and do it for y'all. How do I feed this thing through here? See, here's how you can actually move it with that leveling motor. You can see right there. So you push that up, I assume. First time I've ever done it. I don't think anybody ever done it, but let's see, there's gotta be a way to get this in there. Let's see. like no way to fucking get it in there. How do I get this in there? And I hope I don't have to disassemble this whole fucking thing. That would suck. I have to disassemble the whole thing, take the glass off. I just fucking muscled it in there. I got started getting pissed off and it went in there. God damn it. So let me get this through here. Yeah. Let's see. This might be all. Just don't want to break nothing. Got it through, look, boom. So you don't have to disassemble it. So I managed to finagle the cord through here without having to disassemble the whole shit. Pretty stoked about that. So you put this back on. I gotta find my screws. What is that? Screws, and then you gotta put your other wire in to feed through it. Let's see. So, like I said, use a stock one because there's another one that comes with it that ain't gonna work with it. Let's see. Up through here. Put this rubber back on. You can only get this in the junkyard, remember, or at the dealer if they have it. But I got lucky. So this goes like this. Like so. Snap, crackle, and pop. Put that back on like that. Put your screws all the way around it. Put this back on. Boom. Now you can put your leveler back in. And it might help if you take this off. Put it back in. This goes in tucked like this behind it, like this. See these grooves? Like that. It's made to go under. Like so. Pop this back in. Let's see.